One of the most stressful events for a VMware administrator is when a production application in a virtual machine has been lost or corrupted and must be recovered and operational as quickly as possible. These situations are exacerbated if it is a large application. In this video, we will show you how near-instant VM restore from Cobalt Iron Compass can speed recovery even for very large virtual machines. One of the preferred ways to restore a full VMware virtual machine with Compass is through the vSphere client familiar to most VMware users. This is done using the Compass Spectrum Protect plugin for vCenter. In the vSphere client, we navigate to an individual virtual machine to be restored and select the Actions menu to access the Compass plugin. Compass performs incremental forever backups for virtual machines, and each backup is a full VM restore point. You can see we have several restore points available for this VM. You can select the date and backup to recover from. Let's select this restore point from August 15th. Depending on your recovery scenario, you can choose to replace the existing VM or create a new one. We'll create a new virtual machine to restore to. This is a good option if you want to keep the failed VM to investigate or analyze. There are several restore options available, and in this case, we are going to perform a full instant VM restore. With this option, Compass creates and configures the VM and VMDKs and initiates the restore into the VMware data store. However, at the same time, Compass allows the virtual machine to be brought up immediately in full read-write production mode, even while data block recovery for the VM is ongoing in the background. We select a vSphere host to use and click Next. On the Select Resources tab, we can choose selected disks to restore, or all of them. The Select Storage tab lets the user choose which data store to recover the VM on. The Select Mount Proxy tab allows a user to select which proxy system accesses the mounted virtual disk from Compass for this restore operation. This option becomes very valuable when restoring multiple VMs. Finally, before starting the restore, the Ready to Complete tab summarizes all of the selected options. Simply click Finish to initiate the VM restore. It will take a few seconds for the VM to be created, but once it appears we can power it up and the application will be in full production mode, even if the actual data recovery continues for some time in the background. Compass Instant Restore allows a VMware administrator to have an application VM fully recovered and available in a few seconds, even for a large multi-terabyte virtual machine. We explore other Compass recovery use cases in other videos.